Haven't seen my child this excited about anything in a long time.
That's amazing.
So this is great because he's, pretty young. So his friends, they like to game and things like that, but they don't really get into the technical, aspect, and I can't get into it. I have no idea. So it's great to see some people that he can actually talk to and relate to and on his level, on his interests.
My experience was amazing. I came here, I saw these people highly qualified. I think my son is really gonna benefit from this program. I really highly recommend this place. It's amazing, very interesting. My kid is gonna love it as well. He loved the 3D printing, right, Jose? And he's definitely gonna join this summer program, and I invite everyone to join it as well. It's awesome, awesome. And I love Pepper. I love this little robot that was doing Tai Chi. Oh, amazing, yes.